Welcome to our guide on how to use online publishing platforms. Whether you're a writer, blogger, or content creator, these platforms can help you reach an audience and share your work. Online publishing platforms offer numerous benefits, including ease of use, quick access to global audiences, and the ability to monetize your content. With various options available, it's essential to choose the right platform that fits your creative style and goals. Consider your audience and the specific features you need. Let's walk through the account setup process. Step 1 is to choose your publishing platform. Step 2, fill in your personal information. And Step 3, customize your profile. Creating engaging content is key. Best practices include using headers, bullet points, and ensuring your writing is clear and concise. Enhance your articles with images, videos, and infographics. This not only attracts readers, but also keeps them engaged. To ensure your content reaches the right audience, incorporate SEO techniques. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Once you've published your content, promote it across social media platforms, newsletters, and other channels to maximize your reach. Use analytics tools to track how your content is performing. Monitoring engagement will help you refine your strategy. In conclusion, online publishing platforms offer incredible opportunities for content creators. So what are you waiting for? Start publishing today.